Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change name in Facebook. So let's begin our video. First of all, open your Facebook app, and right now you should click on the bottom right hand corner three-line menu bar icon and you can find this interface. Right now you should tap on the top right hand corner settings gear, and here you can find the option see more in account center. Simply select it. Right now here have a option profiles and personal details. Simply select it, and right now here is your Facebook profile name. Simply select it, and right now you can find a option name. Simply select it, and here the two option you can see, first name, last name. Also there have middle name. If you want you can add it. So just change your name, and after that select preview change. So guys, in this way you can very easily change the name on Facebook. Thank you everyone for watching.